Okay, this is going to give you a demonstration of the extended resample. You can find it over here under KG, Extended Tools, and there you will find extended resample. Now, what does it do? Basically, it's the same principle as what you have with the resample. So you have points that you can resample, but you have also at the same time primitives you can resample. So let me show you over here. The moment on you start to set it to point resample, it becomes like a polygon curve that you can also resample on the primitive side. Point side is exactly the same as it was before. On the primitive side you can do some extra things. So let me demonstrate this. First of all, you can set the length of the resampling, so that's exactly the same principle as you would have with a curve, except that in this case it's going to show you the resampling from the curves. Now I'm going to switch off just a few things, except over here the visualize primitives, since those are important, so we can have like a clear showcase of all the properties it has. So this activates the prim resample. The maximum segment length is activated, so you can change the length over here, as you can see. And what we see over here at the end of the curve is also that primitives which are not having that segment length are being removed. So with this one you can set it to maintain last primitive, and so like that it's going to keep all the primitives no matter what length they have. Another important thing that you can do is you can change the division center. So right now it's starting its division from the starting point and goes along. What you can do as well is you can set it to center divide, and now it will have a center point which it's going to use to divide. As you can see, the center point is lying over here, and while doing that it's still maintaining the right order of primitives, so all the order, all the point order and everything is still being kept. You can also set the center divide not to be like a point, but you can also set it to be a primitive as a center, so it's going to take the center of the primitive as a division point, and so you can change from there. You can change it also to set to a maximum amount of segments, and so if you reduce that you will see that you have like less segments, so you can have like a combination of segment length and the number of segments to use. Or you can remove this maximum segment length and have just like only the number of segments to be used. So as you can see, it's quite intuitive if you know the resample quite well, and so this is how you can use the extended resample.